doing it. You're still playing with that hip hop stuff. You're still making hip hop music over a beat, why don't you? Man. Yo, I love the players staying true to the game. This is Toby Mac, CEO, Goatee Records, and this is my submission. I hope it makes the record.
Exclusive, old school meets new school. Toby Mac and TC on a beat track. Yes, yes, y'all. Come on and make it fresh, y'all. Old school, old school. Old school, old school, old school, old school meets new school. Toby Mac and TC on a beatbox track. Yes, yes, y'all. Come on and make it fresh, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. There's nothing less, y'all. Keep it going and flowing until it's fresh, y'all. It don't stop, y'all. Make it hot, y'all. We rock it high all day and all night, y'all. So is it hype, y'all? Alright, y'all. We'll take your hands and put them in the sky, y'all. One time, y'all. Get them high, y'all. Cause we live in the best, so check the rhyme, y'all.
Now, here's a little story I got to tell about three bad brothers you know so well. It started way back in history with Joey E, Toby Mac, and me, TC. We had a record label that we called Goatee, with grits out of Eden and Christafari. I made the beats, Joey Toby had the plan. You know it couldn't fail cause we in demand. Just three lonely Goatee brothers we be, all by ourselves without nobody. Son of God gets proud.